Welcome to Super Easy Recipes. Today I'll be making a prawn and pineapple curry in a creamy coconut sauce, or Udang Masak Lemak Nanas. This curry dish is another example of Nyonya cooking, and it's popular throughout Southeast Asia, and for good reason. It combines sweetness, savouriness, tanginess and spiciness all in one dish. It's often prepared for Chinese New Year and family gatherings, and unlike most curry dishes, it's really quick to make. You only need about 30 minutes. In fact, I say that this prawn and pineapple curry is probably one of the most delightful and easy curry dishes you can make. You'll need some raw prawns or shrimps. Mine have shells on, but you can get ready peeled raw prawns from all the major supermarkets. You'll need some galangal, chilies, garlic and some macadamia nuts. You'll also need some turmeric, sugar, salt and some shallots. I'll be using some lemongrass paste and some tamarind paste, as well as the zest of a lime. You'll also need a can of pineapples, a can of coconut milk and some shrimp paste. Begin your prep by roughly cutting the shallots, galangal and chilies so that they can be easily blended. Now I would not use too many chilies because it is supposed to be a mild curry. To create a spice paste, you could always use a mortar and pestle, but I'm going to use a blender. Add the shallots, galangal, macadamia nuts, chilies, turmeric and lemongrass paste to the blender. Give your garlic cloves a smash and add them to the blender as well, together with a little coconut milk to help with the blending. Blend everything together until it becomes a smooth paste. Next, you'll want to prepare your prawns. I'm going to remove the head and peel the shell, but leave the tail on. Don't discard the shells. Using a small sharp knife, I'm going to devein the prawn with the shallowest cut possible. Do discard the intestinal tract. It seems a shame to waste the shells as they contain so much flavour. So I'm going to boil them in a little water for about 10 minutes to create a stock, which I'm going to use in the curry. If you're using ready peeled prawns, then don't worry about it, just use water for the curry. With the prep done, you're ready to cook. Start by frying the shrimp paste in a little oil for a few minutes on a medium heat. Then add the spice paste to the pan and fry it for a further 5 minutes or so, or until the spice paste becomes fragrant. Add in your tamarind paste, sugar, salt, and give everything a good mix. Then stir in your coconut milk, together with a little of the prawn stock. If you're not using stock, then you can just use water. Don't add in too much stock or water because you want the gravy to be creamy. Allow the sauce to bubble just for a few minutes until it reaches the desired consistency, and then add in your pineapples. Cook the pineapples for about 5 to 10 minutes, It's a bit of a balancing act. You want the sweetness of the pineapples to be released into the gravy, but you don't want them to become soggy. Then add in the prawns. Gently simmer on a low heat for about 3 to 6 minutes, or until your prawns curl up and turn pink. The prawns can cook very quickly, so you do need to keep an eye out. Now if you want to make this curry in advance, your best option is to prepare the sauce beforehand and add the prawns just before you're ready to serve it. Finally, grate in the zest of a lime and mix evenly before serving. For a little colour, garnish with some coriander leaves or finely chopped chilies. This creamy prawn and pineapple curry is best served with plain white boiled rice. And if you enjoyed this recipe, then do subscribe for future super easy recipes.